In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize school theme in Teachable. We'll focus on two essentials that make the biggest visual impact: your logos and branding assets, and your color palette. Start by signing in to your Teachable admin and opening the site area, then choose Theme. This is your control center for how your school looks. First, add your school logo. Use a clear, high-quality image file. PNG works well, especially if it has a transparent background. Upload it and take a moment to preview how it sits in the header. If the logo feels too large or too small, use the available theme controls to adjust its size so it reads cleanly on both desktop and mobile. Keep some visual breathing room around the edges so navigation items don't feel cramped. Next, upload a favicon. This is the small icon that appears in the Browser tab. Choose a simple square version of your mark so it stays recognizable at tiny sizes. Minimal shapes and strong contrast work best here. After you upload, open a new tab to confirm it displays crisply. Now set the background for your header and footer areas. Pick a color that complements your logo and supports easy reading. If your logo is light, a darker background can help it pop. If your logo is dark, go lighter for contrast. Keep the header and footer consistent to anchor the page visually. Subtle, solid backgrounds tend to age better and make your content the hero. With your branding assets in place, update your colors. In the theme section, edit the palette used for navigation bars, text, and buttons. Enter your brand's exact hex codes if you have them, so everything matches consistently across pages. Set a strong primary color for buttons and accents, then make sure button text is clearly readable on top of it. Check hover and active states so users always know what's clickable. For body text, choose a dark tone on light backgrounds or a light tone on dark backgrounds to maintain comfortable contrast. Links should stand out from regular text but still harmonize with your palette. As you tweak, use the preview to scan key pages, your homepage, a course sales page, the checkout flow, and quickly glance on mobile to confirm spacing and legibility. When everything looks cohesive and accessible, save your changes. And that's it. By refining your logos, favicon, header and footer backgrounds, and core colors, your Teachable school will feel on brand, professional, and easy to navigate.